face you've seen. C for cat who loves to play. D for dog who runs all day. E for elephant, big and grey. F for frog who hops all day. G for giraffe, tall and sweet. H for horse with fast, strong feet. I for iguana, sunbathing slow. J for jaguar, ready to go. K for kangaroo, jumping high. L for lion, king of the sky. M for monkey, swinging free. N for newt, by the sea. O for owl who hoots at night. P for penguin, dressed in white. Q for quail, small and quick. R for rabbit, hop hop trick. S for snake, long and thin. T for tiger, striped on skin. U for unicorn, magic spun. V for vulture, under the sun. W for whale, splashing wide. X for x-ray, fish glowing